Hello everyone, it's Edward from Ideal Direct Home Improvements, and today I wanted to show you a door that we just finished installing. We're here in the city of Mississauga and it's a beautiful day. You couldn't ask for better. Anyways, I just finished all the paint touch-ups on the inside and stuff like that, and let's take a look. You can see the door, so you take a look at the top and everything. This door, we removed the complete frame. Let me see if I can get out of here and angle this. Okay, we removed the complete frame. We went completely brick to brick. The original door, to be honest, it was a disaster. They had, I guess, bought a stock door, and it didn't fill the entire brick to brick opening. So what they did was they framed it in, packed it in with double 2x4s and a whole bunch of stuff. It was unbelievable. So we ripped it all out. I took the casing off on the inside to make sure that we can go brick to brick, because sometimes the builder does do that for some reason, but in this case it wasn't. So I peeled off the casing on the inside and found the original opening, which was, you know, the actual brick to brick opening type thing. This house is brick and block. And I wanted to show you a quick option here for the sill. Take a look. So this is an option that we do on our sills on the doors. On these older homes, the concrete has a really big slope. So what we did here is, instead of putting another piece of aluminum like a lot of guys do, we installed a nice piece of marble, you know, so that it wouldn't be such a big gap. Okay, so it's a fresh marble and it's all done, so that way it looks better. It looks a lot more finished. Let's take a look on the inside. This door is a 36-inch slab. I just wanted to point out. Let's take a look. The original slab was a 32, and the side lights were smaller because of the way they did, you know, the door and the stock door. You know, they tried to make it work and tried to make it fit. So we went brick to brick. It was a bit bigger. I just finished painting the top because we had to do touch-ups. Because the way they did everything, they put a large amount of latex on the casing, and it was a 1x6, so we ripped it off and we brought it to its original state, the proper look. So I just finished painting the top and even this side over here. Like, it was just a complete disaster. I should have took before pictures, but I didn't. I painted the casing trim, so it's all done. There's 2 coats of paint on that, and I'm gonna flip the camera now. There's the casing trim, all installed. Let's see if it can adjust with the light. This here is a beautiful door. We have 3/4 lights in the door itself. We have the visor handset with the smart key, deadbolt, lever handle. These are one of the greatest handsets around, I think. It's very hard to pick. Itself, I'm going to do a little bit of panning. The marble threshold, we use cement grate caulking. Where the aluminum hits the marble, and that's it. It's brick to brick. There was a big story behind this whole door. We use 2-inch brick mold because it's brick and block, and that's it. Door's all done. If you look at the before pictures, you'll see everything.